What is bullying? When we think of the word bullying, we might picture in our mind this kind of situation. There's one person who is the bully and one person who is the victim. However, in reality, this isn't always how bullying looks. Bullying can happen in lots of different ways. Sometimes bullying isn't so obvious and can even be quite subtle. The first thing to remember is that bullying isn't the same as an argument or a disagreement. It's normal to have an argument sometimes, or for one of our friends to say something that might make us feel upset. But this isn't the same as bullying. If we have an argument or disagreement, we could call this a conflict. Conflicts are normal, but they're not the same as bullying. So, how do we know if something is actually bullying? Bullying is repetitive. It usually happens on more than one occasion. It's done again and again. Bullying is intentional. This means the person doing the bullying is doing it on purpose. And we know that something is bullying if there is a power imbalance. A power imbalance is when one person or a group of people has more power than another person or a group. For example, if there was a group of 4 people making an unkind joke about one other person, this would cause a power imbalance. Because there is a group of people being unkind towards one other person, the group has more power than the one person by themselves. This is a power imbalance. So, how can bullying happen? Bullying can happen in lots of different ways. Bullying can be physical, where someone hurts someone else through their actions. Bullying can be verbal, through the unkind things someone says or through spreading rumours about someone. Bullying can happen online, in an online game, group chat, or on social media. Bullying can be psychological and social. For example, bullying could involve a group of people leaving someone out on purpose or ignoring them. So, now you know what bullying looks like, it's over to you. If you saw that someone was being bullied, what actions could you take to help? At OpenView Education, we provide interactive anti-bullying workshops to support schools in providing education and training on bullying. To book a workshop for your school, get in touch today via our website, email or phone. Thank you for watching.